Hello, John. How are you today?
Hello, Olivia. I'm doing well, thank you. And you?
I am very well. It's a nice day today.
Yes, it is. The sun is shining. So, what are we talking about today?
Today, I think we should talk about our daily routines.
Daily routines. That is a great topic. It's something everyone has.
Exactly. We can talk about our mornings, our work, and our evenings.
It sounds like a good plan. Where should we start?
Let's start at the beginning of the day, the morning.
Okay, the morning. So, Olivia, what time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7:30 in the morning. I am not an early bird.
7:30, I see. Do you use an alarm clock?
Yes, I use the alarm on my phone. It plays a very soft sound. I don't like loud alarms.
Right. Loud alarms can be stressful. I wake up a little earlier. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Oh, 7 o'clock. And what is the first thing you do when you wake up?
The very first thing I do is drink a large glass of water. I keep it next to my bed. It helps me feel awake.
That is a very healthy habit. I should try that. I usually check my phone first.
Many people do that. I try not to. After my water, I go to the kitchen and I make coffee.
Ah, coffee. The most important part of the morning.
For me, yes, I cannot function without my morning coffee. I just make a simple black coffee.
Me too. I love the smell of coffee in the morning. After I check my phone, I also make coffee. What do you do while you drink your coffee?
I sit at my kitchen table and I read the news online. Just for 10 or 15 minutes. I like to be informed.
That's a good way to start the day. I prefer to do some light exercise.
Exercise in the morning?
Yes, just for 15 minutes. Some stretching or a little yoga. It helps my body to wake up and feel good.
I am impressed. That is a very productive morning. After exercise, what's next?
Next is breakfast. I always eat breakfast. It gives me energy for the day.
I agree. Breakfast is important. What do you usually eat?
I like something light. Usually I have yogurt with some berries and nuts. It's quick and healthy. What about you, John? Do you eat a big breakfast?
No, I prefer a small breakfast. I usually have 2 pieces of toast with jam. Sometimes I have a banana too.
Toast and a banana. That sounds nice and simple.
It is. After breakfast, I take a shower and get dressed for work. My morning routine is very simple and always the same.
Mine too. I like having a routine. It makes the morning less stressful. After breakfast, I also take a shower and get ready for my day.
Okay, so we are ready for work. How do you get to your job, Olivia?
I take the bus. The bus stop is just a 5-minute walk from my house, so it's very easy. The bus ride is about 20 minutes.
That's convenient. You can read or listen to music on the bus.
Yes, I usually listen to a podcast. How do you travel to work?
I have to drive my car. My office is not close to my home. The drive takes about 30 minutes if there is no traffic.
Right. Traffic can be a problem. What kind of work do you do, John?
I work in an office for a big company. My job is an administrator.
An administrator. What does that involve?
Mostly, I work on the computer. I answer a lot of emails. I also organize schedules and plan meetings for my team.
That sounds like a busy job.
It can be, but I like to be organized, so it is a good job for me. What about you, Olivia? Where do you work?
I work at the city library. I am a librarian.
A librarian. That must be a very peaceful job.
Sometimes it is peaceful, yes, but it is also busy. I help people find the books they are looking for. I also help them use the library computers.
I see. So you talk to a lot of people every day.
Yes, I do. I enjoy helping people, and I love being surrounded by books.
That sounds wonderful. Let's talk about the middle of the day. Lunch. Do you have a long lunch break?
I have 1 hour for lunch, from noon to 1 o'clock.
1 hour is good. What do you usually do?
I usually go to a small cafe that is next to the library. I like to leave my workplace for a little while.
That's a good idea, a change of scenery.
Exactly. I often get a salad or a bowl of soup. What about your lunch break, John?
I only have 30 minutes. It's a short break.
Oh, 30 minutes is not very long.
It's not, so I always bring my lunch from home. I usually eat at my desk. It's faster that way.
I understand. What do you bring for lunch?
I keep it simple. I often pack a sandwich, a piece of fruit like an apple, and a bottle of water.
Very practical. It is also cheaper to bring lunch from home.
Yes, it saves money, and I know exactly what I'm eating.
Okay, so the work day's finished. What time do you normally finish work?
I finish at 5 o'clock every day. My schedule is very consistent.
Mine too. I also finish at 5. So, what is the first thing you do when you get home from work?
The first thing I do is change my clothes. I change into something more comfortable, like a t-shirt and shorts.
Yes, me too. It feels good to take off work clothes.
It really does. After that, I usually sit down for about 20 minutes and just relax. I don't do anything. I just sit in a quiet room.
That's a great way to transition from work time to home time. I usually make a cup of tea.
Tea is very relaxing. Do you do anything active after work?
On Wednesdays, I go to a yoga class. It's from 6 to 7 in the evening. It helps me to stretch and de-stress.
Yoga sounds very calming. I prefer something more energetic. On Tuesdays and Thursdays, go to the gym.
The gym? What do you do there?
I usually run on the treadmill for about 30 minutes. Then I lift some weights. It helps me get rid of any stress from the day.
That makes sense. We both use exercise to relax. What about the other days when you don't go to the gym?
On my other days, I stay home. I enjoy my hobbies. I like to listen to music a lot.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy many kinds, but my favorite is jazz. I have a collection of old records. It's very relaxing to listen to them.
That's a great hobby. For me, my main hobby is reading.
I am not surprised. A librarian who loves to read.
It's true. I always have a book that I am reading. It's my favorite way to escape and learn new things. Sometimes I also meet my friends for coffee after work.
It's good to see friends during the week.
Yes, it breaks up the routine a little bit.
So, after your hobbies or seeing friends, what about dinner? Do you enjoy cooking, Olivia?
I do enjoy cooking. I find it very creative. I don't cook every single night, but maybe 4 or 5 times a week.
That's a good amount. What do you like to make?
I like making big salads with lots of vegetables. I also like to make pasta dishes. They are usually quite simple. What about you? Do you cook?
Yes, I cook almost every night. I find it very relaxing. It's the last task of the day.
So, what's on the menu at your house?
I like simple, healthy food. I often grill chicken or fish, and I always have a lot of vegetables with my meal.
That sounds very healthy. So, after dinner, what does your evening look like?
After dinner, I wash the dishes immediately. I like a clean kitchen before I relax.
A very good habit. I sometimes leave them until the morning.
I can't do that. Once the kitchen is clean, I usually watch a movie or a television show. I like documentaries.
Documentaries are interesting. I usually call a member of my family in the evening. I talk to my parents or my sister.
It's nice to connect with family every day.
It is. After I talk with them, I usually read my book for a while. It helps me to feel sleepy.
Reading before bed is a great idea. I do the same thing. It's much better than looking at a phone screen.
I agree. The light from the phone can make it hard to sleep.
Exactly. So what is the final step? What time do you go to bed?
I try to be in bed by 11 o'clock. I turn off the lights and go to sleep.
11 o'clock. I go to bed a little earlier. I'm usually in bed by 10:30. I think getting enough sleep is very important for a good routine.
It is the most important thing. If you don't sleep well, the whole next day is difficult.
Well, it has been very interesting to hear about your daily routine, Olivia. That's very true. Our conversation is focused on the weekdays. But what about the weekend? Is your weekend routine very different from your weekday one?
You too, John. It seems we both like to have a clear structure to our day. Oh, completely different. My weekends are all about relaxing and having fun. I don't set an alarm for a start. I wake up naturally, which is usually around 9 o'clock.
Yes, routines are helpful. They make us feel organized and calm. We have some similar habits like coffee and reading.
And we have some different habits, like our jobs and our exercise.
You're welcome, and thank you.
Goodbye for now.